Hello my friends, here we are getting ready to show y'all how to make some good breakfast salsa so you can enjoy with your breakfast tacos in the morning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by using fresh Roma tomatoes, okay? I'm going to throw the tomato right inside the bowl. Once I throw the tomato in, I'm also going to add the chili pepper. I like it spicy, so I add the whole thing. If you're going to make some for your mother-in-law, you want to use habanero. It works, okay? Garlic salt, I'm going to season it well, okay? And once all the ingredients is in, you're going to put the top on it. Don't forget this one tip. You want the machine to last more than 10 years. Always loosen the handle. After you loosen the handle, you're going to turn 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And in 3 seconds, I've got a good chunky salsa. If you're going to make a puree salsa, you're going to put the top back on and turn 7 more seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now you've got a nice fresh salsa ready to go in your bowl. Just like that for any breakfast taco, over easy eggs, or anything you want in the morning. I thank y'all for watching our video, and I wish y'all a very blessed day. Thank you.